This is the future of smartphones. Today, we're unboxing Samsung's latest foldable masterpiece, the Galaxy Z Fold 5G. We'll check out the new hinge design, test the under-display camera. Let's get started. Right out the gate, Samsung's premium packaging screams luxury. Lifting the lid, we've got the Fold 5 itself. Oh, that new matte finish feels incredible. A USB-C cable, but no charger. SIM ejector pin. Quick start guides. The gapless hinge is the star here. Finally, no more wedge shape when folded. It's 13.4mm thick, vs 14.2mm on the Fold 4, and that armor aluminum frame feels rock solid. Samsung's 4MP under-display camera? Still not perfect for selfies, but invisible when watching videos. The S Pen support transforms this into a mini creative studio. 3 apps open simultaneously with zero lag. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 just laughs at heavy workloads. The Z Fold 5 isn't a revolution, it's Samsung perfecting the foldable formula. Better hinge, brighter screens, and that tablet-level productivity we've been craving. If you've been waiting to jump to foldables, this might be the one. Drop a comment, would you switch to a foldable? Smash that like button. And don't forget to share and subscribe channel to get more unboxing. Thanks for watching.